if the smallest motorcycle of 2026 isn't the fastest, the loudest, or the most advanced, but the one that quietly creates the next generation of riders? What if the machine that looks simple at first glance is actually the one that teaches balance control, confidence and freedom better than anything else on the road? Because the idea of a 2026 Honda XL80S isn't about performance or technology. It's about the beginning of every rider's story. Welcome back to Z Auto Advisor, where motorcycles aren't just machines. They're memories waiting to happen. And today we're not talking about speed or horsepower. We're talking about something deeper. The first time you ever felt a motorcycle move beneath you. The first time you understood balance. The first time you realized that riding isn't just transportation, it's connection. And that journey begins with a legend that quietly shaped beginners. For decades, the Honda XL ads back in the early 1980s, the Honda XL80S was never designed to be extreme. It didn't aim to win races or dominate trails. It didn't try to look aggressive or futuristic. Instead, it focused on something far more important: making riding accessible with its small 80cc four-stroke engine, lightweight frame, and dual sport capability. It became one of the most trusted beginner motorcycles of its time. It was simple, durable, and incredibly forgiving. And because of that, it became a gateway into motorcycling. For thousands of riders around the world, it wasn't a machine built for experts. It was a machine built for beginners. And that's exactly why it still matters today. Because every expert rider you see on big adventure bikes or high-performance machines once needed something small enough to learn on and safe enough to grow with. Now imagine that same philosophy reborn in 2026, not upgraded into something unrecognizable, not turned into a high-tech machine, but carefully refined to preserve its original purpose. Picture the 2026 Honda XL80S standing quietly in front of you. It doesn't look intimidating. It doesn't try to impress, instead it feels friendly. Approachable, almost like it's waiting for you to try it. The proportions are small, but they don't feel childish. They feel manageable, balanced, designed for learning, not performance. The fuel tank is slim and easy to grip with your knees, giving you control from the very first moment. The seat is low enough to inspire confidence, especially for new riders who are still getting used to balancing on two wheels. The handlebars are wide and stable, making steering feel natural and predictable. The overall design is clean, minimal and honest, nothing unnecessary, nothing overwhelming, just pure function. This isn't a motorcycle that tries to impress experienced riders. It's a motorcycle that tries to create them. And when you swing a leg over it, the difference is immediate. There's no fear, no pressure. Just curiosity. The riding position feels upright and natural. Your hands fall into place without effort. Your feet rest comfortably on the pegs. Your body doesn't feel like it's adapting to a machine. It feels like the machine is adapting to you. And that's the moment everything begins. Then you turn the key, the engine comes alive with a soft, steady sound, not loud, not aggressive, just enough to remind you that this is real. Because if Honda Motor Company Limited ever revived the XL80S for 2026, it would likely stay true to its roots with a small, efficient four-stroke engine just like the original, which used an 80cc OHC single-cylinder power plant designed for reliability and ease of use. Smooth, predictable, forgiving. Twist the throttle and the bike responds gently. There's no sudden surge of power, no intimidating acceleration. Just a calm forward movement that lets you focus on the basics: balance, throttle control, and steering. And that's where the real journey begins. Because this bike isn't about going fast. It's about learning how to go at all. The first few seconds feel slow and careful. Every movement is intentional. Every correction is noticeable. But then something changes. You stop thinking about every action. You start feeling it instead. Your balance improves, your confidence grows. Your fear fades, and suddenly you're riding. Not just moving, riding. That moment when everything clicks is something no powerful motorcycle can ever replace. Because it's not about speed or technology. It's about understanding. As you continue, the world around you starts to feel different. The bike becomes an extension of your body. You begin to anticipate movement instead of reacting to it. You learn how to shift your weight, how to control the throttle smoothly, how to trust the machine beneath you. And without realizing it, you're improving because this motorcycle doesn't rush you. It teaches you take it off the pavement, and the experience becomes even more meaningful. A simple dirt path suddenly becomes an opportunity to learn something new. The lightweight frame makes it easy to handle. The dual-purpose tires provide enough grip to stay stable on loose surfaces. The basic suspension absorbs small bumps without overwhelming you. It's not built for extreme off-roading, but it's perfect for discovering what off-road riding feels like, and that changes everything. Because once you realize you can leave the road, the world suddenly feels bigger, more open, full of possibilities. And that's what the 2026 Honda XL80S represents. Not speed, not power, but potential. Because this isn't a bike you outgrow. It's a bike that grows you. And in a world where motorcycles are becoming more complex, more powerful, and sometimes more intimidating, this kind of simplicity becomes incredibly important. No riding modes, no electronics fighting for control, no confusing systems, just the essentials refined. And that simplicity creates something powerful. Confidence, because when a motorcycle doesn't overwhelm you, you're free to focus on learning. And when you learn without fear, you improve faster, enjoy more, and build a stronger connection with riding. And that connection stays with you long after you move on to bigger machines. Because years later, when you ride something faster or more advanced, you won't remember the specifications. You'll remember the feeling, the first movement, the first balance, the first time you realized you could do it. And that memory becomes the foundation of everything that follows. But here's where the story becomes even more interesting, because as real and vivid as this machine feels, the 2026 Honda XL80S doesn't officially exist. Honda Motor Company Limited has not announced a revival of this model. There are no official specifications, no launch events, and no production confirmation. And yet the idea of it feels necessary, because every generation of riders still needs a beginning. They still need something small enough to learn on, something forgiving enough to build confidence, something simple enough to understand completely. And while modern entry-level motorcycles exist, very few capture the pure, honest simplicity that the original Honda XL80S represented. That's why this idea matters. Because it's not about nostalgia. It's about accessibility. It's about giving a new generation the same opportunity to fall in love with riding the right way from the ground up. Now imagine this moment, it's 2026. A quiet reveal, no dramatic lights. No massive stage, just a simple introduction. And then Honda Motor Company Limited presents a new XL80S lightweight. Simple, approachable, and suddenly something changes in the industry. Because while bigger motorcycles chase power and complexity, this one does something different. It creates riders. And that impact is far greater than any horsepower figure could ever represent, because every expert rider was once a beginner, and every unforgettable journey started with a first ride. And here's the final truth, the part that stays with you. The 2026 Honda XL80S doesn't need to exist to matter, because the idea of it is already reminding you of something important, not where riding ends, but where it begins. So now I want to ask you, if Honda Motor Company Limited brought back the Honda XL80S in 2026, would you start your journey on it again? Or has the world forgotten how powerful a simple beginning can be?